think because that's the way, except for Virginia, that's where America started, that the Puritans from England, Calvinists from England, came to Massachusetts and to New England in order to find a refuge, not just from the persecution of the Catholic Church and the Protestant Church in England, but also refuge from endless religious war, which had gone on and on, obviously since the Reformation at least. So there was a sense, oddly enough, that true freedom under God's benevolence had to be a voluntary thing. I mean, true religion had to be a voluntary thing, and that the proper Christianity was the Christianity which was never imposed on people. They believed that the zeal, the kind of vitality and energy of Christian belief would happen best if no one punished you for disobeying it, no one forced you to go to church, no one required you to say your prayers. And that was a completely new beginning. But